Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to pop your ears safely. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to pop your ears, okay? Now, these are safe things to do. They're just basically various things that you can do with your mouth and with your mouth area. They're really easy to do, and these are like just the safest things that you can try out. They don't involve anything crazy, just sort of regular things that you might be doing that will hopefully pop your ears. So this basically means like if your ears are feeling that tenseness, that, you know, like that, like they're like that pressure, and you want to pop them to release the pressure, these are things you can do. So let's get into this without any further ado. Number 1 is chew gum. So literally taking a piece of gum and chewing on that piece of gum will likely pop your ears. Now, it might not happen right away. It might take a few minutes, but definitely it's something that works. I would recommend trying to chew gum for like at least 5 minutes before you think of whether or not it works. I mean, if after 5 minutes it hasn't popped your ears, then it's probably not going to work. But give it up to 5 minutes to see if it pops your ears, okay? The chewing gum motion that you're doing as you're chewing a piece of gum, okay? Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is a chewing motion. So even if you don't have any gum, you can actually just pretend to chew on gum. And that chewing motion will hopefully, once again, pop your ears. And like I said, you know, give it about 5 minutes before before you think that it doesn't work. It might work right away. It might take a few minutes. It might not work. But I would give it 5 minutes of trying before you say, oh, this is not going to work for me. And hopefully it works, okay? Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is yawn. So literally, just yawn. I can yawn on command at any time, okay? I have 4 young kids, so I'm always able to yawn. I'm always tired. I'm just joking. It's just something I've always been able to do. I can always yawn at any time, which is good because it makes my eyes watery, so I can pretend to cry at any time through that. Anyways, yawning, that will give you that same motion that will pop your ears. So try and yawn, and hopefully it pops your ears. It's a really good method, but you can only yawn a couple times. You're not going to be able to yawn over and over unless you're me, because then I can just yawn over and over. But yeah, try yawning. Hopefully it works and pops your ears. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is take a deep breath with an open mouth, okay? It's going to give you the same yawning motion, but, you know, you're going to try this out if you can't yawn. So just go. It's going to give you the same yawning motion, and hopefully it will pop your ears, but it doesn't actually require you to yawn. So a deep breath with an open mouth. Give it a try. Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is swallow. So just do like a deep swallow. Get some saliva in your mouth and swallow. Or get, a little bit of water in your mouth and swallow. That swallowing motion will hopefully pop your ears, and it's a natural thing to do, so it's definitely something safe that you can try out. And that's basically it. Hopefully these will work for you and will get your ears to pop and get you some relief from that pressure that you might be feeling. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.